How to watch One Piece series on Netflix. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can watch One Piece on Netflix. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. You may also use the Netflix application to watch One Piece series. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right you will find various icons. Click on this magnifying icon and there you will find the search result. Here at the search bar, type the name One Piece. Then press enter to browse it. You will find various results based on your search. Here find the content you are looking for. Once you find it, click on it and then you will be able to watch it. You can also click on this rectangle like icon to view in a full screen. Keep in mind that you may not get all the episodes of One Piece series. So in this way you can watch One Piece series on Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.